Looking for the best orbital sander for your next project? Whether you're sanding wood, removing old paint, or creating a smooth finish, the right tool can save you time and effort. In this video, we've rounded up the 5 best orbital sanders based on their features and performance. Let's get started. Number 5 is the CRAFTSMAN V20 Orbital Sander. If you need a cordless sander for surface preparation, smoothing seams, or removing paint and varnish, the CRAFTSMAN V20 Orbital Sander is worth a look. It is part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless system and features a 5-inch random orbit sanding pad. The motor delivers up to 12,000 OPM for fast material removal. Its low-profile, lightweight design helps improve control and reduce vibration while sanding. For dust management, it includes an onboard dust bag and is compatible with most 1¼ vacuum hoses. The dust-sealed switch is designed for added durability during regular use. In the box, you'll get one dust bag along with 60 grit, 80 grit, and 120 grit sanding papers. The tool is also compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, although the clip and accessories are sold separately. Keep in mind that this is a tool-only package, so the battery and charger are not included. Number 4 is the GALAX Pro 280W Orbital Sander. If you're looking for a corded orbital sander, the GALAX Pro 280W Orbital Sander offers solid features for a variety of sanding jobs. It uses a 280-watt copper motor that delivers up to 13,000 OPM, making it suitable for sanding wood, metal, and plastic. It can also be used to remove paint, stain, and varnish from different surfaces. The sander features a 125mm sanding pad, allowing it to cover larger surfaces more efficiently. It also has an orbit diameter of 1.25mm for consistent sanding performance. To help reduce dust, it includes a built-in dust collection system with a removable dust bag. The ergonomic handle features a rubberized soft grip for added comfort, while the dust-sealed switch and lock-on button support continuous operation. The package includes a dust collection bag, 580 grit, 5100 grit, and 5120 grit sanding discs, along with a user manual. Number 3 is the BOSCH ROS20 VSC Random Orbital Sander. If you need consistent sanding performance with adjustable speed, the BOSCH ROS20 VSC is a strong option. It features a 2.5 amp motor that delivers 7,500 to 12,000 OPM, allowing you to match the sanding speed to different materials and tasks using the variable speed dial. The random orbital action is designed to provide fast material removal while helping produce a smooth finish. The hook and loop disc attachment system makes sanding disc changes quick and secure. For dust control, the sander includes a microfilter system and a twist-off dust canister that captures fine particles as small as 1/2 micron. The transparent canister also lets you see when it needs to be emptied. In the box, you'll find a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and a carrying bag. It's a complete kit designed for a wide range of sanding projects. Number 2 is the DEWALT Orbital Sander Kit. If you're looking for a corded random orbital sander, the DEWALT Orbital Sander Kit offers the features needed for everyday sanding tasks. It is powered by a 3.0 amp motor that spins the sanding pad at up to 12,000 OPM, making it suitable for sanding a variety of surfaces. The shorter body design allows you to work closer to the material for improved control. To increase comfort, the sander uses a separate counterweight design that helps reduce vibration. It also features a rubber overmold grip for a more secure and comfortable hold during use. The dust-sealed switch is designed to help protect against dust for longer switch life. Dust collection is handled by a one-handed locking dust bag, and the dust port connects directly to DEWALT DWV010 and DWV012 dust collectors. For other 1¼ vacuum hoses, it is compatible with the DWV9000 Universal Quick Connector. Number 1 is the BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander. If you need a compact sander for sanding, surface preparation, or removing paint and varnish, the BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander is a reliable option. It features a 2.0 amp corded motor that delivers up to 12,000 OPM, providing fast material removal on wood, metal, and plastic surfaces. The random orbital action is designed to produce a swirl-free finish, making it suitable for both material removal and finishing work. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easier to work in tight spaces, while the comfort grip handle helps improve control during use. For easier cleanup, the sander includes a built-in dust collection bag that collects dust and debris as you work. The hook and loop system allows for quick sanding paper changes, and the dust seal switch is designed to help keep dust and debris out. Altogether, it combines practical features with a compact design for a wide range of sanding projects. That wraps up our list of the 5 best orbital sanders. We hope this guide helps you find the right tool for your projects. Check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.